we can feel older, but we don't want to feel older. We don't want to look older, but there are some things that we can do, and we have enlisted the help of our next guest. She is an author who's taken a closer look at how we can look young, feel young, and you have a book that you wrote called 6 Weeks to Sleeveless. I want to welcome JJ Virgin. She is offering some advice on basically, it's really important how to feel good.
De-aging. I don't even want to do anti-aging. I want to turn it around, right?
I wish I could turn it around.
We can, honey, and practically overnight. So that's the first one. You can turn it around overnight with a good night's sleep. That's why I put in stress, very aging. So you have to find activities. Sounds like you had a blissful weekend. I did too.
Yeah, what we talk about off the air, we don't always talk about on the air.
I always throw it out there because you want to do things every day that bring you bliss to lower your stress hormones. And one of the ones men are always saying, can you write a prescription for that? Because I say sex.
For bliss?
Sex 3 times a week with a partner.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, but seriously,
where do
guys
I
are
go
like,
with that?
how do I do that? I don't know. Well,
I know
we're
how to
looking
do
at
that.
things that lower your stress hormones. One of the problems is men, when they get stressed, that kind of goes out the window.
Right.
I mean, we know for women it does too. So one of my favorite products is Tanaga. This is actually researched at MIT because it improves men's vitality, stamina, and helps support good testosterone levels. So
and that is good for women.
Yeah, so women, this can help you too, right?
Okay.
You know, men are always looking for things to help women with PMS. This is ours.
Exactly.
Right? There's our trick.
It's equal, right? It's an equal playing field.
Yes, it is.